So, today we are going to see noise pollution. What do you mean by noise pollution? We can define by any means. So, I will define in one method. Any unwanted sound dumped into the atmosphere. Any unwanted sound dumped into the atmosphere affecting the environment badly is called noise pollution. So, the unwanted sound which gives irritation, which gives unpleasant feelings and affecting the environment very badly, that sound comes under noise pollution. So, dB is the symbol we are using for intensity of sound. Decibel is the unit for intensity of sound. So, here what are the sources, otherwise causes of noise pollution? Where it comes? So, regarding noise pollution, there are so many topics are there. Simply I will explain in three major topics. One is community noise pollution, second one is industrial noise pollution, third one is traffic noise pollution. Community noise pollution. What do you mean by community noise pollution? Where the public gatherings are more, where the peoples are crowded, they are all called community noise pollution. In theatres, in public places, marketplaces, in bus stands, in railway stations, the people gatherings are more. So, where the crowd is more, they are all comes under community noise pollution. Next one is industrial noise pollution. So, in industries we are using machineries. To ease our work, we are using machineries. They produce sound. So, industrial noise pollution is common nowadays. For example, industry means you can take civil engineering works where it goes on. It also comes under industry. Construction field, construction industry. So, they are also creating noises by keeping the materials here and there and by removing the centering materials, so on, so on. So, they are all called industrial noise pollution. So, suppose if the machine, for example, if you take two-wheeler, without silencer, how much sound it comes. So, after fitting the silencer, how much noise is reduced. So, in the same way, by covering the suitable materials, we can control. So, we can see the control of noise pollution then. So, industrial noise pollution is there, traffic noise pollution. So, in cities, traffic noise pollution is common everywhere. So, traffic noise pollution, roadways only, not only traffic is there. So, nearby aerodromes also noise pollution is there, that also comes under traffic. In roads also there are horn sounds and vehicle sounds and engine sounds, so they make noise. These are all comes under traffic noise pollution. So, what are the effects of noise pollution? Living and non-living things both are affected by noise pollution. Animal beings also affected, human beings also affected, even the buildings also affected because of noise pollution. So, you see, suppose a big sound is heard by a man who is sick, who is very weak in heart. So, he may be affected by heart attack. Heart, liver, kidney, they are all the important organs affected by noise pollution. So, human health is more affected in the noise pollution. Animal beings also become restless because of excess of noise pollution. Insanity, so you become mad because of the noise, continuously hearing for a long time, you become mad. It is called insanity. So, it leads to insanity. So, suppose if you take non-living things as like buildings, a stone crusher is there, so they are blasting the stones, a huge sound is coming and vibration is there. Sometimes cracks may be there in the walls, sometimes the glasses may break, it may be broken. So these are all some effects of noise pollution in non-living things. Resonance effect. What do you mean by resonance effect? What do you mean by resonance? Natural frequency and forced frequency, if they coincide with each other, that is called resonance. Suppose a bridge has natural frequency, some amount of frequency. If the soldiers or NCC cadets or some reserve police, suppose anyone who is making march past on the bridge, when they do march past, they are creating some frequency. It is forced frequency. The bridge has some natural frequency. If the forced frequency and natural frequency coincide with each other, the bridge becomes weak and it may have some breaks, and in long run the bridge may collapse because of the resonance effect. So it should be avoided. That is why militiamen or NCC cadets, they are all used to run randomly when the bridge comes, because if they do march past, the bridge may collapse. It is also one of the effect. How to control the noise pollution? So the first point I want to tell is people should be educated to control the noise pollution, because when you near the hospitals, ashrams or any schools or any silent places, you will see one horn symbol with the crash mark. That means you should not make sound. It will affect the patients, or it will affect the students, those who are listening the classes. So it will affect the persons, those who are meditating. So it will affect their mind. So to avoid, what we have to do, the people should be educated where we should make sound. And one more thing also, we should not disturb our neighbors by making more sound, or by loudspeakers, stereo sound. It should be avoided. You should hear for you only, not to disturb others. So for these things, what we have to do, the people should be educated to avoid noise pollution. And one more thing, the industrial noise pollution, by covering suitable insulating materials to the machineries, we can avoid the noise pollution in the industry. By using soundproof walls in the factories, we can avoid the noise pollution. And one more thing also, aerodromes, they can be constructed far away from the cities to avoid the noise pollution. And one more thing, traffic noise pollution, how we can control? By planting the trees and small plants, they will absorb the extra sound. In cities, you can see some parks with a fountain. They are all acting as buffer zones. They will absorb the extra sound. So by creating small park and fountains, we can reduce the noise pollution in the cities. These are all some methods. So we can create noise free zones by creating awareness among the people. We can create awareness. So these are all some methods of control of noise pollution. So we can say more about the noise pollution. So it is a very short lecture about the noise pollution. Thank you very much.